Hello everyone, it's me Dr. Ayaz Ahmed working as an aesthetic dermatologist. Today I will discuss another important topic of dermatology. The name of topic is structure and function of skin. Hopefully you will learn and subscribe my YouTube channel. This picture describes structure of skin. Skin is basically divided into three layers. The outermost layer is the epidermis, innermost is the dermis, and below the dermis is the hypodermis. Today we will mainly discuss two layers, the outermost epidermis and innermost dermis. The outermost layer, dermis, comprises of five layers. If you see microscopically, you will find these layers extending from bottom and moving in upward direction. You will find number first basal cell layer. This is actually the basal cell layer. This layer is attached or near to basement membrane area. This is the basement membrane zone. Second most layer is the layer of spinous cells. Third layer is the granular layer and fourth is the stratum corneum. Moreover, fifth layer, stratum lucidum, is also found. In between these cells or in between these keratinocytes, there are lots of junctions. These junctions are number first adherent junction, hemidesmosomes, desmosomes, and focal adhesion. I will describe one by one. Number first is the adherent junction. These are actually specialized protein which facilitate homophilic interaction among the cells, maintaining shape and stability of the cells. Another junctions are hemidesmosomes. These are the junctions which are attached in between the epithelial cell and basement membrane. For example, this is the basal cell layer and this is the basement membrane. Now you can see these are the actually hemidesmosomes attaching in between the basal cell and basement membrane. Third junction is the desmosome. These junctions provide strong adhesion between the cells, especially those cells which are usually remaining in stressful condition. For example, cells of the heart and skin. Final junctions are the focal junction. These junctions provide attachment between the cells and extracellular matrix and transmit mechanical and biochemical signals among the cells. Now this is all about the epiderm and its layer and its junction. Now I will discuss another layer, that is dermis. A layer below the epidermis is the dermis. This is actually dermis area. You can see within the dermis you will find number first erector pili muscles. These are the oblique muscles. These are attached between the basal cell or you may say basement membrane zone area and the base of the follicle. The function of erector pili muscle is to move the hair. Number second structure which is present in the dermis is the eccrine gland. These are the glands which are extending from the epidermis. For example, from this region they move in down towards the dermis area. These are the eccrine gland. Number third structure is the base of the follicle or hair root, you can say. Within the follicle there are multiple structure. Number first is the outer root sheath. This is the outer root sheath, this one, and this one is the inner root sheath. In between the outer and inner root sheath is the cuticle. These are the structure which are present in the dermis area. Moreover, on other side you can find the sebaceous gland. These are the actually sebaceous gland, which are located near to the medulla part of the hair follicle. The junction in between the epidermis and dermis is known as the dermal epidermal junction. From this junction, the basal cells move downward and form the sacs of sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland are very important gland. They provide secretion for the nourishment of hair follicles. There are also bulge of the cells. From here, these basal cells move in upward direction and form the sac of sebaceous gland. At the base of hair follicle, you will find dermal papilla of hair follicles. This dermal papilla is the main region of the hair follicle. Hair activity of growth is controlled. Above the dermal papilla is the matrix, which provide nourishment for the upcoming hair. So this is all about the structure of skin and its layer. Now I will discuss function of skin in next slide. So these are the function of skin. Skin provides lots of important function in our body. These include: it provides mechanical barrier against external environment, prevention of water loss by cornified cell envelope and stratum corneum. It provides immune system for our body. For example, it protects us from bacteria, virus, fungus by the presence of defensin and cathelicidin. These both act as a immune defense of skin. Skin also contain melanin, which protect us from DNA damage and ultraviolet radiation. Maintenance of thermoregulation is one of the important function of skin. It is performed by the vasoconstriction and vasodilation. Sebum in skin provides lubrication and waterproofing and cushion from trauma and work as a calorie reservoir. Skin also contains fat in the form of leptin, which act on the hypothalamus to regulate hunger and energy metabolism. Skin contains sensory nerve ending for pain, temperature, touch and pressure sensation. Skin also contains nail in fingers and toe, which provides protection and important for pinning and precising the object. Hairs are important for social and psychological impact. Skin help in the synthesizing of vitamin D. Skin, especially the glabrous skin, contain ridges and groove in palm and sole, which gives us dermatoglyphics. Another name for dermatoglyphics is fingerprint. These are used for the purpose of identification. This is all about structure and function of skin. Hopefully you have enjoyed and you will subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.